Ito yung weight ko a few months ago at ito naman yung current weight ko ngayon. I've been getting a lot of messages and comments kung bakit daw parang mas pumayat ako ngayon, ano daw ginagawa ko, nagkasakit daw ba ako, kung ano-anong haka-haka at eto na yun. I started my weight loss journey a couple of months ago pero nakulangan pa rin ako. So I went to TBL Manila and they introduced me to TBL Slim Pro Shot.
Dok, kailangan kong sobrang sumikip pa.
I'll introduce yung TBL Slim Pro natin. What it does is, it suppresses your appetite. Low calorie intake, eventually mag-lose ng weight.
So update, this is my second week of the TBL Slim Pro Shot. So tignan natin kung ano na ang aking current weight. Ang kinagandahan dito, if you cannot go to the clinic, they can actually send you yung i-inject mo sa sarili mo. Swab. There, it's done. Hindi naman ako takot sa needles kasi sanay naman ako napapas. This is my third week on TBL Slim Pro Shot. Yan ang pinakagamot niya. Woo! Woo! So ito, this is my fourth shot of the TBL Slim Pro Shot. Pinaka done! Nakatulog ako and today is my injection day. Fifth na yata if I'm not mistaken. So here, pasensya na ang pangit ko kasi. Fifth week, andito tayo ngayon sa TBL Manila. Sabi din ang pet ko daw. Nag-check kami kanina, 65 ako. Pero kumain kasi ako kayo ng umaga. And if you guys are interested to manage your weight at matulungan kayo sa inyong weight loss journey, itatag ko at ililink ko sa baba ang TBL Manila. The healthiest way pa rin to lose weight is to exercise and to eat healthy. Because if you want to be the best version of yourself, this is your sign. At saka yun, mas masikip na tayo.